In this video, I will show you how to download and install qBittorrent. Go to Google search and type qBittorrent. Click on their official website. Click on the Downloads tab. Here, you can pick the relevant installer for your operating system. I will be going with the Windows version. Click on it, and it will direct you to another website called SourceForge. Now click on the Download Latest Version button. The download should start after some ads are loaded. Wait for the download to complete. Once that is done, go to your Downloads folder and click on the executable file. Click OK and Next. You can leave these as default, but I will create a desktop shortcut for it. Click on Next and select Install. Wait for the installation to complete. If you have Launch qBittorrent checked, clicking on the Finish button will automatically launch it. There will be this notification. Click on OK. That concludes the tutorial.